This conclave, the Commerce Conclave, was a very nice experience.
It was a really wonderfully organized thing by Sai International School.
Such conclaves are quite very helpful for the students.
It was a very knowledge gaining process because we could have a one-to-one interaction with some of the greatest leaders of our times.
We came to know what India would be in 8 years. We could, form policies regarding what India can be. And this conclave was one of a kind, and it was the first time I attended a conclave. We had experience. The chairperson of SRCC shared his experiences with us. The chairperson of Deloitte shared his experiences. We asked them questions, and I think this is good because the youth comes to know what they can contribute to make the country a developed one.
It was a really wonderfully organized thing by Sai International School to establish the importance of commerce in our state. This is one of the finest initiatives. The Commerce Conclave with the presence of PC Jain, and you had the Chancellor and the Chairman of Deloitte. Their presence really made it more interactive and educative for all students of commerce, and I think this will go a long way in establishing Bhubaneswar as a center of excellence for commerce.
Hello, I'm Aditi Agarwal from Sai International College of Commerce and Economics, pursuing my graduation final year here in Commerce. This Commerce Conclave is a very different thought of our chairman, Sir Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu. He actually, he always believes in being the best or either different from everyone else. So Chairman Sir came up with this idea last year when we had our first conclave, which was again a success. And this conclave, it was a bit bigger than that, and it was much better than that, of course. Today in the whole day event, we spoke on commerce education, a multidisciplinary approach, how commerce is very very involved field in every stream that we go into, and how commerce has evolved since being nowhere now into everywhere. We also spoke on India 2022, which basically signifies the 75th year of Indian independence, and guests and presenters spoke very well on it. The main motive of the discussion was what India is today, the present condition, not to mention poverty, illiteracy, etc. To where do we dream to take India to, from being a developing nation to being a superpower in this short span of 7 to 8 years.
The Commerce Conclave is obviously a very big hit. It's a very nice project, or I would rather say a confluence, in which we come to know about different issues. We get enlightened about people's views. For example, this time the topic was India 22, our vision. So we develop innovative skills, we become creative, we start analyzing things, and we present what we think India will be in India 2022.
Discussions were based mainly about why commerce curriculum has not been initiated into the primary school curriculum, and at the same time, how can commerce help people grow? Like, why is it more important than engineering and science? Like, people shift to commerce just because they don't want to do science. This perspective is changing with these kind of conclaves where people are being enlightened about the importance of commerce in the real world.
Discussion seminar, it was more about job opportunities in the coming year. Then why SRCC, why there is only one SRCC. Somebody asked it, why there is only one SRCC while there are so many IITs, and then we got a very good reply from the principal of SRCC. So this was a very knowledge gaining process because we could have a one-to-one interaction with some of the greatest leaders of our times. And we can actually bring a change. We can develop ideas. The youth can be the change.
This was a really learning experience coming from Mothers Public School. The interactive session set up by Sai not only enhanced our knowledge, but it gave us a platform to present our own ideas in a conclave, and that was really helpful.
Such conclaves are quite very helpful for the students because these conclaves basically are confluence of all the educational streams out there in the city. We are generally confined to Sainees, being Sai students, and such conclaves promote interaction with students from different streams, different schools, what do they pursue, what do they believe in. So it also helps in generation of a common idea of the city as a whole, not particularly an institution.